Hello friends, today we'll unbox Philips home baking kit. These are basically accessories for Philips air fryer in large size. These accessories are compatible with all three air fryers, which is HD9210, 9252 and 9255. Let's quickly open this kit and see what are the accessories inside this box. As you can see, we have three accessories here. First is this baking bowl in which you can bake your cakes, your puddings, and then we have this silicone mittens, a pair of it, and after that we have the 6 silicone muffin cups in which you can easily bake your muffins. So let me place this baking bowl in an air fryer and show you how will it actually look like. So you can easily place the bowl like this, and there is a handle with which you can remove it. And similarly, all these 6 muffin cups you can use in the air fryer. So friends, these are the 3 accessories which come in this Philips home baking kit. If you want to buy these accessories, then you can check out the Best Buy link in the description box below. Hope you liked today's video. Do like and share this video with your friends, and let me meet you in my next video. Thank you.